Part 3, Journey to the Algarve.
And breathe. We are on our way to Lisbon, which I didn't tell you earlier, which is quite a long way from Torre to Lisbon. And we're stopping over on the way at a wonderful quinta. And I'll tell you all about it in a little while. Meanwhile, I'm going to have a beer. Bon dia, guten morgen, good morning and bonjour. First cup of the day, beautiful sunshine, and it's only 8:45 in my t-shirts already. Yay!
So, ich bin Dirk, das ist Paul. Paul mag's gar nicht. Aber mich filmt gerade Karl. Karl ist völlig bekloppt. Ich warte nur darauf, dass gleich seine Karriere...
We are in Sao Pedro. We've walked down because we missed the bread man this morning. We slept in till 8 o'clock, and we've come for a couple of coffees, and we bought the bread, and the total was, Aliane?
Nearly €2.
Nearly €2. 2 coffees, 2 cappuccinos, no, 2 lattes, sorry, and the bread for the day. Not a bad deal. Bet that surprised you. Look where we are now. A place called Nazareth, but I keep calling it Nazareth. But it actually is probably Nazareth for the surfers, because this is one of the best places in the world to come surfing. And we are going to show you the waves. Anyway, be good. What I neglected to tell you, to get to the waves, you have to go on a funicular. As I said before, as you've seen with the photographs, you have to go up the funicular railway to go and see the big waves. It was quite calm, but it's a beautiful day. It must be 26, 27, getting a tan. It was like another world at the top of the funicular.
Please subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Ring the notification bell.
Here we are at Nazaré, and they might not look that big on a mobile phone. We are on our way to Lisbon, and we are going, obviously, not via the toll roads, and over there, and you don't think you'll be able to see it, is a place called Sintra. Now, Google it and then visit it. It is amazing, and with a bit of luck, we shall be visiting again, because we loved it so much last time. Quick update, we're going on a hike. Whoa, that's what we like to hear, the word hike. We're walking along the coast to Qashqai. It's, I don't know, 10 miles, 8 miles, no idea. We'll let you know when we get there. Sally Ann, tell everybody what's just started.
Started to rain.
And was it in the forecast?
No.
Do we have any shelter?
No.
This is a posh lighthouse, isn't it? Now, if you want to know where we've come from sort of over there, I think. Yeah, and where are we going? We're going to go over there somewhere. Ladies and gentlemen, we are almost in Kashkaus. We are absolutely wet through. The sun has come out and it must be about 23 degrees. And yeah, we need a coffee and a croissant or a pastel donata, but we've not seen anything for a while. That's wet with perspiration. Whew. Adventure time. Guess where we are? We are in Kashkaus, and we have come to the indoor market. We are looking. Look at this. And apparently I have to split the producers, half on Saturday and half on Sunday because of COVID. So they're all more spread out. Since we've been back from Kashkaus, I've been busy. This recipe goes back hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of years, and it's a secret. But it's a secret that you can know about by going on to www.vanlifeeats.com, and there are hundreds of fantastic recipes on there. And the guys are great. We love you. Surprise, surprise. We're in Lisbon today, exploring adventure. Woo! I don't know whether you can hear me, but we're underneath this enormous bridge in Lisbon, and it's a bit noisy. We've got trains, cars, planes and boats. Look at that bridge. And of course there's a statue over there.
I hope you're enjoying this video, so please watch until the end.
We are now coming to the end of Europe's largest bridge, and that was absolutely incredible. Okay, that's the Portugal's highest point and Portugal's longest bridge, which happens to be Europe, as in EU longest bridge. Now, all the other thing we got to do is Portugal has the longest suspension pedestrian bridge. Not so sure on that, but I'll make sure Sally Ann goes. So, see you in Brazil. 100% solid gold. We love our Mobilvetta. I have got a brand new job here at Brezinho. I'm now the chief bottle opener, and I have a wonderful machine. God, bloody hell!
Oh.
Hey! Oh, I see.
Oh.
Isn't that fantastic? And I've got to drink all these before I go. And it sounds like I'm playing tennis. Do you know, it's almost addictive. Oh, that one didn't come out. Oh, you can feel it. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, and members of the jury, we are now leaving and taking the 100 and something mile trip down to the Algarve.